Hello everyone, I'm Gifta. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore one of the most fundamental concepts in computer architecture, the stack. Specifically, we'll simulate push and pop operation using MATLAB. I'll walk you through the algorithm, the pseudocode, and finally the MATLAB implementation step by step. By the end, you'll see how theory concept connects beautifully with practice. First, in the algorithm, we initialize the MATLAB environment, create an empty array to represent the stack, set the stack pointers SP to 0. Then we increment SP, insert data at stack, and display the stack. Then we read the top element, decrement SP, and display the stack again, handle overflow and underflow condition to avoid errors, stop the program. The algorithm gives us the logical flow of how stack operations should be executed. So the first code. So here, this is the pseudocode, and this is like the bridge between plain English and actual programming. It doesn't run on a computer, but it helps us visualize the logic clearly. Notice how simple and structured this is. It shows exactly what happens during push and pop without worrying about syntax. Then the next code. So here we actually implement the logic, and this is the sample program. The code does exactly what algorithm and pseudocode describe. It initializes the stack, performs a push, checks for underflow during pop, and displays the result. If you try it out, you'll see the stack behaving in a last in first out manner, just like in so real processor architecture. And this is the third code. So finally, the algorithm gives us the logical steps. The pseudocode translates those steps into structured instruction. The MATLAB code brings it all to life with actual execution. This practicum not only strengthens our understanding of stack operation, but also shows us how theory, design, and implementation comes together in computer science. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical coding explanations. Thank you.